Yes, big up on yourself, fantasy world. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are, whether in Europe, Africa, Asia. Big up on the raw self, our Caribbean diaspora. Big up on yourself, people. You understand? First of all, I want to begin the video by my channel. We don't really like rumor, you know. So if I put up something and it's a rumor, and if I know it's a rumor, I take that down. You understand? I'm not so proud as a vlogger. I wouldn't even call myself a vlogger. You understand? As a presenter of my show on the platform YouTube. Yeah? Big up Mavado. Because Mavado knows, people know something like Mavado, you understand? Me even put what one about Mavado's situations sometimes. Because, one at a time, people always fight down the man. Big up your rascal yourself, Gully God. Stay black, you understand? Yeah, me like that. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. You understand? Gully side, straight. Big up yourself, Gully side. You understand? Big up the whole of the people from the Gaza, the whole of the people from fucking Alliance from back in the day. Big up everybody, Virgin. Scare them crew, man, Sasha crew come right up, tall up. You understand? Big up the Gaza fans and big up Gozo. The whole of them. Big up on yourself. You understand? Big up on yourself. What make reggae music fraternity? Mavado, straight. Mavado fans. You understand? Me's a dancehall fan. Me like every dancehall artist we're trying. You understand? Not one of them me no like. You understand? Me like the whole of them. You understand? That's why we have to put the trust in the Lord. Some of the people them go listen to some Mavado. You understand? Some bad mind, the man. Get out of the man business. The man business are not for you. You understand? Imagine now, people who have vlog on them thing there. Imagine if the man was in your business. Imagine if the man was telling you how to raise your youth. I idiot thing them there. Yeah? Yeah? Big up yourself, Mavado. Yeah. So we just run the Father God tune. Yeah? As you know, Mavado have him Vivo. Stop chat shit on social media. Yeah? Go add yourself to the man Vivo. As soon as the fresh things them drop, you can know. You understand? Cause with the business watching the news, you understand? Cause hear this, me are no news channel, me is an entertainment channel. Me like entertain the people. So me are not news per se. Certain news when me feel like say boy, it's overdone. Me don't even want to say nothing about that bridging. You understand? Me don't even want to say nothing about that bridging. Anyway, big up yourself, Mavado. Me glad to say you're safe. Me glad to say your little youth safe. And even the man will pelt the bullet them safe. You understand? So me glad to see nobody in the dead in the situation cause all them things they messy. You understand what I mean? So big up yourself, Mavado. The man say, sound as bad as the media make it sound. Just listen to what the man say. You understand? And the man deal with it theme way. And them little way there, you understand? I don't know how people stay so bridging. You know stay so man? You understand? Yeah. John know, you know what I mean? Hear the man say, lucky thing him put him trust in a God. A lucky thing say him a coward. Them want him to dead like a dog. And that the man I say in a virgin. You understand? And nobody now talk about the 2 million views where the man video I get. Since the last time I look on the video. 2 million views, the man sitting there. The man think turn up. Big up yourself, Mavado. You understand? And your Father God tune. This tune are my tune. You understand? And them are sitting there me like here from Mavado man. Like them a tune I always say like say, Selassie I guide me. And I make him can't stop, Sound more like a singing blacks, like a singer. You understand? Before me and Mavado. You understand? So big up yourself, Mavado, you know what I mean? I go in some more on a video and I go do another video. Mavado part 2 plus a whole heap of sitting. You understand? So take care of yourself. Love on your family, love on yourself. Try on your best. Never give up. Still live, yeah? Big up yourself, Mavado. I come up with a video too. Fast and quick, everybody just chat bare shit. Over and out. Big up on yourself, people, yeah? Big up to the whole of the vlogger them out, they said, you see me? You don't know. Bless.